I have 37 minutes in there. Where we going? Taking a Rosie home. Are you ready to go home? It's getting cloudier. It's getting cloudy. Oh. The handlebars are getting warm. Get down! Get down! That's unsafe. Boy, that was some wind! That was some wind we had! Hey? That was some wind we had! What? I think my handlebar warmers are on. I'll have to fix those. I'll have to fix it. It's making my hands too warm. Okay. Yeah, they were on, and they weren't on the highest, but still warm. Spency!